Okay, thank you everyone for this latest session of sharing about top topics. So, in this session, I will share about what is the power of process and also persistence. But I will start. Let's first with some story that I think quite relevant with these topics. Anyone in here know him?
Your grandfather,
Grandfather.
great grandfather.
The difference that is what I still.
Oh, the skin color.
My skin color is not white. Okay, as you know, he is one of the great inventor in this century, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas or Tom or Alva.
Mr. Edison.
Mr. Edison born in Ohio, 1847. He was a curious child. Astaga.
Buka di laptop.
Oh iya. That's smart. One of the great invention is that like this bulb. But is that just one his invention? I think no. There's a lot of invention that he invented, like our phone, because phone basically from a telegraphic system. But the point is, I don't want to embrace more about his successful about his invention, but I will share about what his early day. He's born with hearing problems. He's deaf. He cannot hear clearly when people said, or when people have a speech with him. It's not about just one problem, but his family is also have a problem. I do some research about him that his family. Wait for a moment.
It doesn't help.
Oh.
Trust me.
Oh, yeah.
You are lost.
Oh,
Oh no.
okay.
Next page, maybe.
Burger must like due to a familial tendency and must be dead.
Family.
I'm sorry, what is that? What problem?
Tendency and mastoditis. I don't know what kind of word that they use.
You didn't research.
I'm actually took from the autobiography that fell with him because but one of the greatest speech that he said is, I have not failed. I just found 10,000 ways that won't work. His persistence and refusal to give up on his vision ultimately lead and groundbreaking invention that revolves the world. Started with bulb that give us
The light.
like us in the darkness, like us in the loneliness. That give that give us how to see the world right now. Okay, that's just the beginning of my speech. But it's not fair if I don't also share some my life story. Is that relevant with these topics right now? Okay, I have some two topics my life story that I think quite relevant. Started with when I early school, elementary school. Actually, I'm not smart as you think lah. The first one.
Emang iya.
No lah. So the first one I joined the elementary school.
I know.
The first year I joined the elementary school, I am ranked 10. It's not dari depan apa mas? Not in the
Top
front,
10.
not top 10,
Yeah.
from the
From the
front.
bottom.
Yes, that's correct.
Sekarang berapa?
No. In the one class there's a 30 students, if I'm correct. 30 students.
30.
And also as a parent, of course, they also why you ranked from the bottom, I think you're not quite learning or blah 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 blah. Of course lah. That will wants to their child become smart, successful, and etc. But due to I have some, I'm not that one. I think that just one factor lah. In each year after that, I become what is rajin? Diligence. I want to hard work to achieve that, prove that I'm not so ada kutip stupid lah. And the next year I become 10 ranked, not from bottom anymore, but the front.
Oh.
And next when naik kelas what?
Naik
kelas.
Okay, when you naik kelas, all right, the next level, the next grade.
The next grade in each year, I'm upgrading from 10th from the first, and next the 5 from the first, and eventually when I on the 4th year of elementary school, I become the first one from the first. That's the goal of process, failure, and persistence. That's I think quite relevant with this topic. So is that my just one example? Of course not. The second one is this is about my how I switch career back to I graduated from my college. You know, as you know, I'm not a background. I don't have a background in IT industry or IT education lah. Actually, I'm from engineering, petroleum, something that related with the liquid, oil, gas, and anything else lah. But because I have some passion in IT industry, I want to switch my career back then by what? By prove me to the, let's say headhunter, let's say the recruiter that even though I don't have the IT industry background or IT education, I could compete with them. I could prove that I'm capable to handle that task. I could handle to explain more about the IT topic lah. How? So how I could prove that I'm trusted. Trusted. My word can be trusted. So I took some learning by myself. Each day, each month, begadang till 1 week, 1 month to just learn something that related IT industry that I want to go, and I want to, and eventually I take some short course, short certification that in the end of the day I could prove that yeah, this is me. You ask me what, I think I could answer that kind of topic lah, even though it is not deepest as the other people. I think that's some kind of two example that my life story about what is the power of a system and the process. So I don't want to melancholize in this section, but
You cannot be romantic as well.
no, of course I can be romantic with just one woman.
Okay.
Just one woman, not a woman.
Really? Oh, really? I think
Mari kita minum.
impossible.
Yes.
Namanya apa? Persisten.
Oke.
Satu di sini, satu di sana.
Sabar.
Yang mana tuh?
Kan satu.
Contoh. This one.
Yang satu Nisa, yang satu Nita.
Ya namanya beda.
Satu ruangan. Okay then. So I want to closing my some topic about what is the journey of the persistent or process. In a journey of achievement, shooting the standard, the power of process, and the power unwavering perseverance, persistence. The process itself is methodical journey from conception to completion. This is the process that something that we will how we do it to achieve some goals that we wanted. Plus the foundation for the success. Because if don't if we don't want to process, then how we could be success? It's also it gives us that to provide structure and focus amidst the chase of ambition. This is where persistence steps. It's unwavering grace that the fuels that keep us moving forwards. It's whisper reminders that our purpose when doubt creeps in. It's urging us to push
I
through
don't
back.
understand what you are saying. Can you please use simpler words?
Okay. Process is just the foundation that if we want to achieve some goals. But if we do some process, we need something that fuel the process itself. Like
Okay.
we want to go like to the mountain. We want to go to the beach. How we could go in there? By, let's say, motorcycle, let's say bikes. That's some kind of process. But is that tools that could go without something moving on it? That's how persistence comes. Fuel of, let's say, gasoline or fuel or energy to achieve that goals by using that process. I think that's some kind of analogical about how persistence and process, that's something that terkaitan,
Related to
related to each other to achieve our goal. But it also have a benefit if we do doing those combination. The first one, increase self-confidence. By doing the process of failure, the process of how we get stuck in the process, in the end, if we succeed that process and we have persistence, we could increase self-confidence, like increase of self-confidence. Like, hey, the first one, I don't think myself I can do that, but look at in the end, I could achieve that. I could achieve that. Prove it
Okay.
to me or to all of you, right? The second one is enhance resilience. Of course, failure is just not once. It could be 2. We have the failure. It could be 3, or it could be 100, or it could be 1,000 failure, like Thomas Alva Edison said. But the point is, even we have facing some failure, like we could grow stronger each day by day, because just one failure lah. I already.
I just want to say.
I mix from Singapore and Japanese.
Oh, Japanese English betul.
Okay then. So it will make us grow stronger by physical and also by our psychological. Let's say if we have trouble like handling people like that. Let's say hard people like it's not nice or people. The first one maybe we caught a bumper, but in the second one, true that we faced the same problem. But this is kind of people I already faced before, I already met before. That kind of people, I could handle it lah. That's something the other thing sells lah.
We can laugh.
We can lah.
Ayah.
Nah, the third one is a deeper learning. This is some benefit about persistence and the process, because we facing some failure. Wise people said that. Wise people learn from the failure. And if we learn from the failure, we could be smarter by day. We could be the master of the topics. We could be master of some kind of problem. We could be a master of anything if we have some persistence, if we have some trust the process. And the last one, the greater fulfillment, because we can prove our people's doubt on me or ourselves, because they doubt like you cannot become rich in the next day in 10 years, or you cannot become like a president, you cannot become a CEO of some company . But if we trust the process, and we have the persistence. And in the end, like I said, we could prove that what they said is wrong. We have some greater fulfillment because we obstacle our difficulty, and in the end, we could achieve that we wanted. Thank you. Gila, dong. Aduh, udah bagus ini. Udah bagus. This is the power of bar.
Oh, the power of God.
Let's go.
Rejected ya? Rejected ya?
Coba lihat the power of God.
The bar.
Panjang banget lagi.
Ya Allah.
It should come from your heart, not from bar.
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 Iya.
But it's help a lot to do some our tax. That's info aja, Miss. Maybe you will be used later in your work.
Yeah, of course for work, right? But for delivering this talk, you can connect to people more with the language comes from your heart. Okay, right? Because when you read, it was we couldn't really understand the language you used, right? It is much simpler and understandable when you say what you really know instead of what you read. Okay.
Thank you for the input.
Right.
I think there's no question. Right?